Daystar Mode Ltd was established in 2011. The company specializes in the development and design of precision plastic molds, manufacturing, injection molding and other one-stop services provider. Our business area covers auto parts, office equipment, medical products, and small and medium-sized household appliances.
It tears me up when you turn me down. I'm begging, please, just stick around. I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that your love is gone. I can't breathe, I'm so weak. I know this isn't easy. Don't tell me that your love is gone. That your love is gone. Don't go tonight. Stay here one more time. Remind me what it's like. And let's fall in love one more time. I need you now by my side. It tears me up when you turn me down. I'm begging, please, just stick around. I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that your love is gone. I can't breathe, I'm so